Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need inventory basics and a plan. Gather food, amount, and quick placing blocks. Once ready, leave your base at dawn to maximize daylight searching time. Begin moving along the nearest village perimeter and biome transitions, because wandering traders spawn near villages and biome edges. Make sure to mark coordinates every 200-300 blocks. Use short bursts of sprinting to cover ground, then pause to scan the horizon for trader llamas or particles. This first sweep establishes search lanes and saves repeat coverage later. Now set up a search grid. Walk a straight line for 200-300 blocks, then move 50-100 blocks perpendicular and return, effectively sweeping terrain. You do this because traders spawn sparsely. Systematic coverage increases odds. Scan for 2 trader llamas first. Those are the easiest clue. Then watch for colored particles or the wandering trader model at a distance. Make sure to update your map and mark any sighting coordinates so you won't overlap searches and can return quickly if night falls or the trader wanders off. When you find the trader, approach cautiously and clear nearby mobs so trades aren't interrupted. Leash or fence the llamas quickly to prevent escapes. Once trades are done, note the spawn area for future checks. If you never find one, reset spawn possibilities by sleeping for 24-48 in-game hours or traveling far enough to force chunk reloads. These techniques refresh wandering trader spawns. If the trader moves into tough terrain, switch to a boat or mount to follow. Mobility is the simple fix when sightings slip away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.